Hello, and welcome to the 8th video in this Leaflet tutorial series. I'm Tom from MapTiler, and today I'm going to show you how to use vector tiles with Leaflet JS. In this episode, we'll change the basemap from raster tiles to vector tiles. If you'd like to know more about the difference between raster and vector maps, check out the link in the description below. The reason we need this video is that Leaflet doesn't support vector tiles by default. So if you want to make vector maps with all their advantages, I'd actually recommend using a map library such as MapLibre or MapTiler SDK. However, if you need to add vector tiles to Leaflet, you can use a plugin. Click on Vector Tiles in the list at the top of the page. You can see there are a few to choose from. We're going to select the first plugin at the top of this section, maintained by Jonathan Lurie. Follow the link to GitHub, and then on to the official site. Here you can copy the code for a basic example. This will give you everything you need for a basic vector tile map. You'll need to replace the placeholder text with your MapTiler API key, which you can get for free from the MapTiler website. Once the key is in place, you can see the results. Enjoy the smooth zooming, faster load times, and all the other benefits of vector tiles. What do you think about these maps? Let me know in the comments below. See you again in the next video.